And then, guys, once we did it, let's see. We're going to count how much the least and how much is the most. So, let's get started with that. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, he's going to shoot you guys.
Yeah. After the next video, we're going to have a weapon test.
A war test.
Weapon test.
Yeah, weapon test, whatever. We're going to set this right here,
What are
guys.
we going to start with?
We're going to start with the red.
Red. This is Barbie.
So this is some of the reds, guys.
One red.
These are red. This is all the reds, I think, guys. Probably this is the least. This is my mushroom, guys. If you can see. My mushroom. And then
this guy.
this is my
We're so excited to organize
roller skate.
Shopkins. And I'll
My roller
see you
skate.
guys watch
That's two reds.
trying to get.
And this is my Tuesday on the back. It's red. See, guys? Yeah. He's being crazy stupid now. He's being stupid.
Yellow.
Now we're gonna do that. No, orange. Can you please not be silly, Zoe?
No, yellow.
I don't want to get like bad reviews. Okay, forget that. Okay, orange. We're gonna go by the rainbow, guys. Okay? Can you tell us the rainbow on the comments down below?
Rainbow.
Wait.
Rainbow.
Please. Don't be silly. Don't want to get bad reviews. And now, where is the red? Or orange.
Oh, I found a red.
Orange.
I found another.
That's a pink.
Oh,
Red.
I found a red.
Orange. And
red.
but Zoe, you need help.
No, I am trying.
Find yellow now.
Can I have the phone? Yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow.
So
yellow,
she's gonna be finding the yellow, okay?
Yellow.
And here is my monkey. It's a pet shop, guys. My monkey. One orange.
I found a yellow. Bye,
my
guys. Yeah, baby guys.
Sandwich, whatever it is.
We're not playing the Nerf war yet. No. You guys are. You guys.
Be quiet.
I
and set
show
time.
you. You guys go down. It's for the weapon test. Okay. No. Shut off the video.
Okay, sorry guys, we're gonna shut off the video. This is unacceptable.